Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, exercise 1D, question number 1, part B is x plus 4y equals to b and x squared plus 2xy equals to a. We have to solve the simultaneous equation. So now, at the first one, we will make here, let's suppose this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. So the equation 1 we can equate it means we have to express the x from equation 1 in terms of y. Express x in terms of y. So it means that we have to shift the all other values on the other side of equal. So x we will keep same there. It will be equals to 6 minus 4y, which is the equation 3. So now we will substitute the equation 3, substitute equation 3 into the equation 2. Then remember we are doing the simultaneous equation, so we will use the substitution method. Simultaneous equation by substitution. So substitute equation 3 into 1. So it would be here. Now x, instead of the x square we will write the 6 minus 4y whole square, then plus 2 into 6 minus 4y into y equals to 8. Now we will expand the bracket. So here in place of this we will use the algebraic formula, which is a plus b whole square. So it means that it would be the a square plus b square minus 2ab, because the sign is minus there between them. So a is 6. We will write down here the 6 square plus b is the 4y. So it would be the 4y square. Then minus 2 into 6 into 4y. After that we will expand the second bracket. So we will multiply here the 2y, the 2 with this and y also. So 2 times 6 is 12, it would be the 12y minus 2 times 4 is 8. So y times y, it would be y square equals to 8. Then we will expand the squares there. So 6 square is 36 plus 4 square is 16 and y square we will keep same minus 6 times 2 is 12 and 12 times 4 is 48 y. Then the rest of values we will write same, plus 12y minus 8y square equals to 8. So now the further simplification we will do here. Now the y square, this y square and this y square both had the like term. So 16 minus 8, it would be the 8y square. Then we will simplify the y value with the y. So minus 48 plus 12, minus plus makes minus. 48 minus 12 is minus 36y. The bigger number has the negative sign, so we will put here negative sign. Then it's a 36, so we will write the 36 same and shift the 8 on the other side. It would be minus 8 equals to 0. Then we will get 8y square minus 36 and then plus the 36 minus 8, it would be the 28 equals to 0. After that, we can factor out the 4 there because 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 9 is 36, 4 times 7 is 28. It means that we can factor out 4. 4. So now, when we will factor out the 4, the remaining value would be the 4 into 2y square. 4 times 2 is 8 and then adds a y, and 4 times 9 is 36 and then 4 times 7 is 28 equals to 0. After that, we will shift the 4 on the other side of equal. It will divide with the 0, so it becomes 0. 0 divided by any value is 0. So our quadratic equation is 2y square minus 9y plus 7 equals to 0. Now we will do the factorization. That means that we have to multiply the first and last value, which is 14. The factor of 14 is 7 times 2, and 7 plus 2, which is equals to minus 9, means the product of the factor should be the 14, which is a times c. We have to multiply a with c. A is the coefficient of x square or y square, b is the coefficient of x or y, and c is the constant. We have to multiply the coefficient of y square with the constant. Then the product of those factors should be 14, but some are the minus of those factors should be 9. So minus 7 minus 2 would be minus 9. We will write down here the factors, so it would be the 2y square minus 7y minus 2y then plus 7 equals to 0. We will take the common from the first two and the next two. So at the first two, the y is common and the 2y minus 7 is left. The second term, nothing is common, so we will take minus 1 common. So here 2y we will write same, but negative 7 equals to 0 because minus is common, rest of all sign will change. Again we will take the common, so now 2y minus 7 is common. So here y minus 1 is left, which is equals to 0. Then for further simplification, we will put the separately equals to 0. So it would be the 2y minus 7 equals to 0, and the second, the y minus 1 equals to 0. So we will shift these values on the other side. It would be the 7. Then 2 also we will shift on other side. It's a coefficient, so it always would be the y. And here y is equals to plus 1. So this answer would be 3.5. We got the two answers of the y. Y is equals to 3.5 and 1. After that, we are solving the simultaneous equation, so we need to find the value of x and y both. So we will substitute back in equation 3 to find x. So now it would be the x is equals to 6 minus 4y. So we will write both values there. So have a look now. X is equals to 6 minus 4 into 3.5, and second time we will write here 6, x is equals to 6 minus 4 into 1. So x would be equals to now 6 minus 4, 14. It would be 14, and then x is equals to minus 8. And here x would be equals to 6 minus 4, which is 2. The two values of the x also we got. So finally the answer we can write down when y was x is minus 8, we got when the y is 3.5, and here x is 2 when the y is 1. The two solution for each we got.